Are you ready to unlock the secrets of manifestation and bring your desires to life? Are you ready to transform your dreams into a tangible reality? Well, my friends, buckle up because you're about to embark on an incredible journey that will leave you in awe. Many people view manifestation as a daunting and challenging task, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. With the right technique and process, you can effortlessly manifest anything you desire in no time. Today, I am going to reveal this powerful technique to you. The exact process that will guide you on your manifestation journey and lead you towards success. But remember, it's crucial to follow every step we discuss in this video to ensure your manifestations become a reality. Let me assure you that this video is not like anything you've seen before. It's going to be suspenseful, engaging, and filled with valuable insights that can change your life forever. So get ready to dive deep into the world of manifestation and witness the incredible power you hold within. Together, we'll explore the techniques, the mindset, and everything you need to know to manifest your dreams. Are you prepared to take this thrilling journey with me? But before starting the video, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and join our incredible community if you're new here. By doing so, you'll stay up to date on all the transformative content we share to help you manifest your desires. Now, hold on tight and get ready to manifest the life you've always desired. Let's make it happen together. We all have a secret power within us that can manifest our desires into reality through hidden spiritual powers. This power is unleashed when we focus on what we want from life: money, love, success, etc. To do so, it begins with a strong desire followed by positive thoughts that act like magnets pulling in the things you desire. It's like having an internet connection to the universe where one makes requests for what they wish for from life. The art of manifestation works best when one is connected spiritually on multiple levels. God is present throughout the entire universe, which means so are we. Each living being holds a piece of that infinite nature within themselves, connecting all together, no matter their faith or religious beliefs. Traditionally held alive before now, but reinforced here now more than ever, Neville Goddard's statement, "Pray as if you were a god," should be understood not as diminishing any higher power, but rather highlighting everyone's interconnectedness through universal energy and vibes moving and vibrating at the same frequency, uniting us further even when divided by faith, religiosity, politics, or societal constructs. It makes us one big family, creating realities of choice, repurposing dreams into new paradigms accessible by anyone willing who puts forth effort, willingness, open-mindedness, and empathy. It virtually eliminates limitations imposed upon mankind generations ago, presenting unprecedented opportunities never thought imaginable yesteryear. Today, we are liberating humankind, and tomorrow, we will usher in a global collective consciousness fully realized across humanity, leaving behind negative mentalities limiting growth, progress, and expansion exponentially. Manifestation requires commitment and dedication because there are no guarantees that your desired outcome will come true. However, if you truly believe in yourself and your worthiness, then positive energy will begin to unfold around you, bringing what you wish for closer towards fruition in real-time events or circumstances without reason, as if by magic. So start believing in yourself today. Anything is possible with manifestation. We all have the power to manifest our desires through the universe and create our own reality. By combining gratitude, prayer, and visualization techniques, we can unlock this potential and start seeing our dreams become a reality. To successfully manifest your dreams, you must believe that they already exist in your life and express this belief with positive affirmations. The first step in becoming a successful manifester is showing gratitude to the universe for all that you already have in your life. It is important to be mindful when speaking prayers or affirmations, ensuring that they align with your deepest intentions. Be generous with yourself while also recognizing the power of emotion and excitement levels when manifesting desired outcomes in life. It is not about asking for help from God. It's about allowing yourself to co-create what you desire in your life. When visualizing what you want, avoid going into too much detail about how things will manifest themselves. Leave some room for creative flow by having faith in yourself and trusting in the limitless possibilities of the universe instead. The key is to feel as though whatever it is you are wanting has already happened, as if it were real now. Feelings of joy, happiness, pleasure, contentment, these are all emotions that will help lead us closer to unlocking our true potentials. By showing gratitude towards ourselves and others, combined with intentional thinking, we can actively work on attracting more positive experiences into our lives every day, enabling us to achieve success far beyond what was previously thought possible. Do you believe in the power of the universe to manifest your desired life? Have you heard about Neville Goddard and his teachings on the law of attraction? If so, then you know that it is possible to unlock the power of manifestation through energy, intention, and visualization. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help us create our own realities by believing in its magic and potential. To manifest what you want in life, it is essential to take intentional steps towards realizing your goals. This means having faith that miracles can occur and trusting that they will come into fruition. Manifestation takes dedication. Stay focused on what you are working towards each day, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant they may be. Be mindful of both the universe's energy as well as your actions when creating a reality for yourself. Use visualization techniques to actively picture success and abundance before taking actionable steps towards them. It's also important to practice gratitude for all that is already present in life, even if it isn't yet exactly how we imagined it would be. This helps us appreciate our journey thus far, while still striving for more. Lastly, make time to appreciate small victories along the way as a reminder of how far we have come since setting out on this path. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey as we delve deep into the power of manifestation. In this video, we explored the profound significance of visualization, intent, and energy, and how these elements can unlock a world of unimaginable opportunities. Through the teachings of the great Neville Goddard, we discovered the power of manifesting our desires through prayer and aligning our intentions with the boundless energy of the universe. By tapping into the wellspring of our subconscious mind, we can ignite the manifestation process, bringing our dreams to life and attracting the abundance we seek. But manifestation is not just about acquiring more. It's also about appreciating and showing gratitude for all that is already present in our lives. It is within this space of gratitude that we attract even more blessings and opportunities for growth. As we conclude this video, I encourage you to continue honing your manifestation skills, always remembering the power lies within you. Keep visualizing, setting clear intentions, and fueling your desires with positive energy. We sincerely hope this video has inspired you to unleash the incredible power of manifestation in your own life. Remember, you are the creator of your reality, and the universe is ready to support you in bringing your dreams to life. If you found value in this video, we invite you to subscribe to our channel to join our ever-growing community of like-minded individuals on the path of manifestation and personal growth. Thank you once again for watching, learning, and growing with us. As you continue your journey of manifestation, always remember to stay grateful, believe in your dreams, and trust the process. May your manifestations become manifest realities, and may your life be filled with endless blessings and abundance.